Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect an Apple Watch Series 9. First, make sure your iPhone is running the most recent iOS. Then, power on your Apple Watch by pressing and holding the side button for a few seconds until the Apple logo appears. Next, place your Apple Watch near your iPhone. Your iPhone should automatically detect the watch and prompt you to begin the pairing process, making the initial setup straightforward and quick. Once your iPhone detects the watch, a pair button will appear on your phone's screen. Tap Continue to proceed. You'll then see an animated pattern on your watch face. Use your iPhone's camera to scan this pattern, which securely links the two devices. If the camera method doesn't work, you can tap the small eye icon on the watch to get a 6-digit code for manual pairing. After successful pairing, your iPhone will ask if you want to set up the Apple Watch as new or restore from a backup. If this is your first Apple Watch, choose Setup as New Apple Watch. If you're upgrading, you can restore from a recent backup to transfer your settings and data. Review and agree to the terms and conditions to move forward with the setup process. Finally, you'll be guided through several customization options. Sign in with your Apple ID to enable features like Apple Pay and App Store access. You'll also be prompted to create a 4-digit passcode for your watch, which is essential for security. Adjust settings such as text size, activity tracking, and notification preferences. Your Apple Watch will then sync, and you'll be ready to enjoy all its features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.